Hey guys, this is Ryan with Humminbird Drones, and today we're gonna go over the current trailer setup that we use for our spray drones. So first, looking at the trailer, we use a 24-foot by about 9-foot wide fully enclosed trailer, and we like that fully enclosed trailer because if the trailer were to have to sit outside, we can keep our drones and our generators and pumps and everything out of the elements. So first, let's take a look inside the trailer. As you can see, we use IBC totes, or some people call them cage tanks, as our water storage. There's about 750 gallons of water storage there. And then we also have one more up there in the front, which we'll get to in a little bit. So first here, we use the DJI 8000 generator to charge our batteries. We like using these instead of the cooling stations because we can trickle charge. So if one gets fully charged, the other one will automatically start charging. We have our extension cords run from our generators in the back over the top of the trailer, as you can see, to keep them out of the way. And we have two sets of extension cords so we can run two different chargers at the same time if we were running two drones. So that's our charging system. And as we take a look inside the trailer here, we have an input hose here to pump water into our totes for water storage. Which runs over to our induction cone so we can pour chemical and things like that in there. And that runs to our trash pump, which is then pumped into our hot load tank, which is about a 250 gallon tank. And this is what we mix our hot loads into to put into the drones. And as you can see down here at the bottom of our hot load tank, we run an electric pump. So we like to use an electric pump for loading the drones so we don't have to have our gas pumps running all day long. Alongside our electric pump running out of the bottom of our hot load tank here, you can see we have a return line. And this return line runs back into our pump, which makes it so that we can keep our hot load agitated or keep it recirculating. And next, we'll talk about this green cord here that you can see hanging. This cord we use to plug in back here, and you can see we can string it out and plug it into a 110 on the wall so that we can charge our batteries overnight without having to have the generators on, or when we're cleaning out, we can run that electric pump without having to run our generators. All right, now we've made our way back to the back of the trailer here, and as you can see, we have a little shelf here where we put spare props, tools, gloves, wipes, just everything you'll kind of need while you're out there during the day. We have some chairs for our pilots to sit in after a long day. It gets hard being on your feet all day long. We use this tote for bulk chemical storage depending on what we are doing. And then we also set our remotes on top here. We have a power strip here running to our 110 extension cords, which runs back to our generator. And we also have our box fan just to keep it cool in here, and our pump, our electric pump, plugged into that extension cord there. All right, next we'll take a look in the back of our trailer. So as you can see here, we have two Westinghouse generators. One is a 12,000 running watt generator, and the other is a 9,500 running watt generator. So first, this 12,000 running watt generator, as you can see down here, we use these 110s to go to this orange cord, which runs up front and runs our electric pump, and we can charge controllers and things like that off of. And then here off of this 240, that runs to these yellow cords, which can power our T40 battery charger up front to charge batteries up front. Next, we'll take a look at our 9,500 running watt generator. And for this generator, we use to charge our T30 batteries. We run it off of the 240 here, and we can either charge them back here, or we can plug it into these extension cords and run it up front and also charge it up front. And the rest of the space back here we can transport anywhere from 1 to 3 drones in the back of here, and we have our gas cans, and this is just a little bit of extra storage. Thank you for watching today, and if you have any questions about our trailer setup or drones or anything, please reach out to us, and also be on the lookout for something new and exclusive coming to Humminbird Drones. Thank you.